Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Today I want to do a ring pour. I haven't been really good at these, so I want to continue practicing. I have 11 by 14 inch canvas. I already have my white base down. Got some bubbles in it I'm going to get rid of. And I am going to use some really bright colors and a little bit of my base white mixed with the satin enamel. So I'm going to start with some red. And it's not coming out of here very quickly, so I'm going to take the cap off. This is a primary red. Okay. And some yellow, primary yellow. And I have a fluorescent orange. I think I'm going to put some of my satin enamel next to the yellow. I'm not going to use a lot of it. I'm going to put this fluorescent or neon orange in next. Let's see. And a little more red. A little bit of that satin enamel, because I don't mind pink. Some yellow. And some more of the orange. I think I'll end it with another dollop of that. Let's see. Should be a good amount of paint. So, doing a ring pour. Let's see if I can do this well. It has not been an easy one for me to do. There we go. It's looking pretty good so far. A lot of that neon orange in there. Here comes some red. Sorry, distracted by the noise. See, I always get kind of wobbly when I'm doing it. Just kind of want to go around in a circle. Getting a little better at it every time I do it. That's the goal. And I'm going to stop it there. Ooh, neon orange, so pretty. Love it. It's got a lot of air bubbles in it though, so where'd I put my torch? Get a little torch, get rid of those air bubbles. It's so bright. It's like a big ball of sunshine. Okay. Kind of looks like I might be a little off level on my table. Either that or I kind of pulled my hand that way a little bit. Give it a little bit of a stretch. Now typically when I use red it wants to take over, so we'll see how this works out. The satin enamel may bring up some really cool looking cells. We can hope. I've got to move this bottle here, it's in the way. Okay, I think I'm going to bring it right down to this corner and take it off. Bring the paint back a bit towards the center. Oh, it's very cool. Bring it down over there. While we're waiting for this, I'll take a minute to say thank you for coming to visit with me. I appreciate it when you watch my videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You can hit the like button, share my videos with your friends. It'd be much appreciated. I've been working on setting up a Facebook page to sell my artwork. So if anybody is interested in purchasing any of my artwork, it is, if you go to facebook.com and then the / Lorraine Foskett Art, it has all of my pieces on it. Kind of fun. Okay, I'll bring this over. See, like I said, the red is just taking over. And I'm kind of liking that one white corner for some reason. It looks really cool. I don't want my lines to get lost there. Okay, I'm liking that. For some reason I really like that one white corner, but I don't know. The overall look of it. Might just put a little bit of the neon orange on there to help it move. You can see the difference in the blending of the colors when I put that neon orange on there. It looks so different than everything else on the canvas. So I'm going to take some of this. And try and get it to move off that corner. Really stretching the paint here. Ooh, almost lost it. Almost lost it, and I put my thumb in the other corner. Don't want that. Oh, darn, darn, darn. Okay. Set that down. My hands are getting a little slippery. It's really pretty. I'm hoping, I can see it happening over here already. Some of that satin enamel is kind of popping up. Leaving little yellow cells, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can bring that corner down a little bit. So I'm hoping it gets those cool little cloudy cells in the red, because that'll make it really pop. have to come back in a few hours and give it a check to see what it's done. Oh, come on, you can make it. Really stretching the paint over the canvas. The center's moving quickly, but the corner does not want to. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I can bring that center back a little bit. Oops, being a little bit clumsy with these slippery hands. Okay, I'm liking that. Ooh, look at this here. Looks like a sunset. It's very pretty. Try and wipe my hands off a little bit. Grab a paper towel. Now pick it up so you can take a look. Okay. You can see all the pretty lines. I like the way that is right there. All kind of melded together. And there we go. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. I'll be putting videos out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're sitting waiting to see more, I'd appreciate it if you'd come back and check them out. Thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye.